2021 Hyundai Tucson comes alive in latest renderings. Welcome to Real Channel, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. We are expecting the new Hyundai Tucson to be released on the first half of this year, but now we can confirm that will be released in August. It is expected to bring a real hybrid powertrain for this time on its new generation. The next generation Tucson is set to have the all-new Theta 3 2.5-liter engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai plans to use the Theta 3 and 2.5-liter turbo as its base engine in the US market. The European market will most likely also get an updated version of the 1.6 as well as the 1.6-liter Turbo GDI engine. And also a possible diesel version together with the hybrid. Both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions will be available. We are not sure if the Tucson hybrid will share the powertrain with the new Sorento and Santa Fe, that means 1.6 turbo and electric motor with a total output of 230 horsepower, or will use the same as Niro or Kona hybrid models, a 1.6 GDI engine and an electric motor with a total output of 141 horsepower. We are expecting a larger Tucson on this new generation, and we might see a 7-seater Tucson. With more SUV options now, the Tucson and Sportage seems to have lost its position, but with this new revamp on style we are hoping it relocates itself again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube and follow Facebook and Instagram.